In this video we will learn how we can add the text templates. So in the previous video we added the text, the following text, heading and a basic line. So I'll go to text and I'll be using the free templates. Here it is. Okay, I'll just click here and you can see the template is visible here. I can shorten this and add it accordingly. Just click on it and just change the text and use it. Okay, and also change the bold. I'll just delete it by pressing the delete on the keyboard. Now view all and we will check all the templates. If the following is visible, this is premium. So I'll be using the free ones. Okay. Here it is. If you want to add a movie night, let's say template, sale template, you can select this. Let's say webinar is for 2 hours webinar. We are providing for a less price. We can set it here directly. So this is a template. We can also rotate it easily. Okay, so this is fine. We can set the price here easily, or we can also use all these formats. You can see these are completely free. You can use them easily. Go to back. So social is also visible, logos are also visible, some are paid, some are free. Paragraphs are visible, direct phrases are visible here. You can use them in a similar way. Let's say another example, social. You can select them. Let's say subscribe to us. Here it is. Just drag it here. Okay. We can change it. I just double clicked on it. Join us. Okay. This is just an example. And again, I'll just let's say I'll just add another text. I'll select it, double click, select. I'll add a font. Recommended, I clicked on it. Here it is. I'll select this and this is fine. Let me reduce the font by selecting, going to back, selecting this. Now changing the font from here. 150, press enter. This is fine. $10 sale for the webinar. That's it. Join us. Okay, so this is the basic example. So in this way we can easily add text and text templates to our image. Thank you for watching the video.